Alrighty. Let's talk about the overall market and some of my positions and what I'm looking forward to or what I'm looking into right now. First off, with the overall market, pretty big red day leading into like the last 3 hours of the day. Market was fully red, and then it found some bids later in the day. You can see here as part of the chart. Got some bids. Now it's in the mid-range of the candle and kind of mid-range of this area as well, but it looks very strong during the day or when it was right here at the 20-day or just under. I was looking for a I wasn't I, well, I was just looking for it just to hoping it was bouncing off this 20, which it has so far, just to see some sign of strength. So that's good. That's great. Great for the market. And then obviously big news today. Tesla earnings. Just massive earnings. Just kind of great. We'll see what it does tomorrow. If the market's weaker tomorrow, this thing could come right back down, or this thing can go up. So we will see what it would do. But other than that, so my positions are SMR still in this one. Averages at 12.34 in tiny size. Waiting for this one to consolidate a little more. 10-day catch up for it to tighten up and then break out again. That's what I'm looking at. Especially this whole sector, Oklo, NNE. NNE I'm not really looking into. I had it a couple weeks back, but it's just like super choppy, not really clear and linear. And if you do get a good move, just get out immediately is what it seems like. It's not really trading like this how it used to be. But anyways, LEU as well. Oops, kind of similar. Yeah. So these seem like these need a break. They got a lot of time in terms of until they break out again. I believe, but other than that, in SMR still, like I said, still in DJT. I sold 150 shares today, so I'm in only 400. Average is 31.1. So that's good. And MSTR, I didn't sell any. My average is 201. I didn't sell any into this to this big push here. Uh, Today intraday I got a little scared right here when it was at 205. Didn't do anything. Didn't sell off anything. But because technically today is day three, right? One, two, three, and just didn't. I still believed in this thing. When I saw that 205, I was debating. Well, I wasn't debating. It was like a hindsight play where I was like, well, I should have bought some when it dipped to 10-day moving average. Hopefully this thing can tie it up and move to the upper range of this candle. Today was actually a pretty volatile day for MSTR. It was like an 8% day today. I mean, in the morning it looked fantastic. It looked great. It was all the way up to 220, almost 223, and then from 223 it went straight down to 204, 205 on right on the money. So which is a pretty volatile day if you ask me. And the fact that it bounced off the 10-day moving average is great, but obviously this year kind of shows some weakness, like some selling. But hopefully this thing can just slowly grind up forward. Bitcoin can get a breakout, and then we'll get some good moves, especially with Tesla. Tesla might ignite the market again tomorrow, or not ignite it, but keep some moves going. But yeah, great to see Tesla doing well. What else? SSRK, I got out SSRK today. Right here at 29 flat. I got out. Pretty weak. Didn't hold too well, and just a tiny size, like minimal, just tiny size. So that's good. Let's look at what I watched this here so far. Caper, I remember said I was gonna short it here this day, and it just I was so confident in it too. But oh well. I don't know what the news is. I need to look into that. I think I said that last time. I need to mark the chart. CLMT. Don't really know about this one, but VST. Glad I found some bids today. Hoping this thing can get up over the 20-day tomorrow, 10-day tomorrow, and then make another move. This one looks kind of juicy. Lumen. I don't know. This one seems pretty weak to me. Maybe we can get a short tomorrow. That'll be nice. CMP. This one's setting up pretty. It's okay on the setup wise, but um, I don't really know. I don't really like this one. I mean, it's pretty liquid. Maybe a little less than 10 million, I think, dollar volume. That's 9 million. A little over 10 million. Actually, not that bad. That's even to today's tight candle. But today had a lot of volume compared to these previous days. You can see, yeah. You can see right here at the bottom too, down here. But we'll see how this goes. Everything here is gonna be we'll see. That's all we can do. WGS. Pretty much the same ones that were on yesterday. Semiconductors still kind of, I wouldn't say weak, but in a range. Yeah, I don't think Nvidia. Yeah, well, I mean, they caught some bids later in the day. I think the whole market caught bids later in the day, so that's good. It's a good sign. Um, yeah, I mean, Wolf, I've been looking at this one for a while. Hopefully this one can make a big move, but if the semiconductors can get going, but it doesn't seem like they will. UC pulled back to the 10-day. MP. Clove, it looks like it's kind of done so far. It's for now. If it can bounce off this 20, tighten up and break out again, that'd be nice. Ellie, you talked about it earlier. ASTS, Wolf, SMR, that one too. MSTR. Hopefully MSTR can tighten up. SRRK, I think I might get rid of SRRK. Depends on how it does tomorrow. Might be a short for tomorrow, but yeah. $27 million. That's actually not bad at all. It's just hard to borrow, so yeah. I think that's pretty much it for everything. So, alrighty. This is a quick one today. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. Um, yeah. Uh, don't really think there was any big moves on anything else today. A lot of these got sold off, other than Save, Spirit Airlines. Wow. Mm, let's take a quick look. Peloton moving. These got pretty nice setups on some of these. Okay, I'll be still looking at these. Lunar looked good earlier today, but sold off, and pretty big candles. Don't really like the way they look. IonQ. This one's been a good one. Missed it. EVGO looks nice. Looks really nice. It looks really nice. I don't know. Was there news this day? I gotta check. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's it for today. Quick, short video. Nothing too much to talk about. But, alright. See you guys tomorrow.